Go SRT is Arizer's latest portable device hitting the market on April 1st. Today, we'll discuss what's new with the SRT, the ecosystem, how it stacks up in the current market, and who would benefit most from this device. Out of the box, I can already see the quality and materials. For those of you that already own an Arizer device, you can expect the same high-quality materials you've come to appreciate for over a decade of innovation, while also getting the chance to try something new and fresh. Over the years, Arizer has brought a wide range of devices to market for an even wider range of use cases. This time, they've managed to offer the same flavor-chasing experience they're known for, without sacrificing power or portability. The Solo 3 was originally intended to be the portable powerhouse of the lineup, but the exposed glass stem always made it awkward to pocket. With the SRT, the Go stem is concealed inside the body with only the tip exposed. On top of that, the strong magnetic silicone lid seals the top perfectly to lock in any lingering odor. What's great with the SRT is the all-new Go Shell capsule system, Arizer's first proprietary dosing capsule. With the Go Shell case, you receive an extra 6 shells and an easy loading case, offering a total of 7 Go shells to swap out during the day. On top of that, when using Piper's Puck's microdosing backspacers, you can control how much material you load perfectly, while also making sure material doesn't directly touch the oven. The included screens are designed to fall out anyway, so it's a fantastic upgrade for those who are trying to stay functional during the day. Let's briefly see how long the default settings take to heat up to 200 degrees Celsius. About 15 seconds, not bad at all. The new SRT system maintains the same convection-dominant hybrid heating, refined for the new Go Shell dosing capsules. It produces slightly less vapor than the Solo 3, but only marginally. It really does feel like the pocketable Solo. The SRT fits a wide range of use cases from our perspective. It's smell-proof with the magnetic lid attached, has a battery that lasts just as long as the Solo 3, and comes with an ecosystem that complements the at-home, as well as the on-the-go flavor chaser. If you own a Solo 3 but just wish you could slip it in your pocket on the go without worrying about fall damage, the SRT is an absolute upgrade in every way. Our one and only gripe with the new Go Shell capsule system is the same gripe we have with most dosing capsule systems. They're fidgety, and we wouldn't recommend the Go Shells for anyone who has dexterity issues with their fingers. If you frequent the FC forums and their archives, as well as the DHV community on platforms like Reddit, you know that the options are almost endless for the devices available. So today, I want to keep the comparisons simple. Let's compare the SRT to the Solo 3 and the critically acclaimed Limelight Frolic. The SRT sits in this nice middle ground between the three devices when it comes to price, performance, accessibility, and aesthetics. The SRT has a slimmer profile than both the Frolic and Solo 3, making it the most pocketable out of the three. But when it comes to power output, it is at the bottom of the list. We recommend the Go SRT to someone who wishes their Solo 3 was more portable with an intuitive ecosystem. We recommend the Solo 3 to someone who wishes their device hit harder at a lower price. And we recommend the Frolic to someone who wants it all and is willing to pay a premium price for a premium upgrade. But that doesn't mean one device is outright better than the other. Every device has its own characteristics that fit a different use case, and each brings something unique to the table. And that brings us to our favorite part about the Go SRT. It offers the same level of settings customization that Arizer is known for, including the removal of the home lock screen, volume output, brightness, and haptic feedback. The temperature can be adjusted in each of the 3 presets to the degree. However, the session length can only be adjusted between 5 timing presets, allowing you to use the SRT as an on-demand device, as well as a session device without their own dedicated modes. And with that, the SRT is the slimmed-down portable Arizer fans have been wanting for years, and could easily replace your Solo 3 if power and price point aren't as important to you as portability in a capsule system. The SRT is worth the price point. Arizer has always been known for engaging with and learning from the community it serves. Thanks to this connection to the community, it's allowed Arizer to grow, innovate, and deliver a product that serves as the benchmark for other manufacturers in the space. To put it plainly, you could spend more money on a device like the PAX Flow or the PAX 4 and be genuinely disappointed because nothing new was brought to the table and the community's voices weren't heard regarding the output, heating style, ecosystem, and interface. To sum it up, the Go SRT isn't trying to be the most powerful portable on the market. It's trying to be the most practical Arizer portable, and it nails that. The SRT shows that Arizer is in direct competition with who they were last year, rather than whichever device is most popular right now. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, comment below. If you want to learn more about the SRT or want to see all the top devices to choose from, visit us at pipepuffin.com.